Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, we have two very good news for today. The first one is hiring opportunity. So we have 100% work from home job, and it is related to data verification, data extractions, and analysis of data, right? So basically you have to verify the data here. Now 12th pass, graduate, postgraduate, anyone can apply, and the salary offered here will be 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. Now friends, you can easily apply. The link is in YouTube video description, and I will tell you the complete process, that how you will be able to apply, and also what is your responsibility. I will give you some example, and I will also tell you the requirement. But before that friends, okay, the second news which we have for Accenture. So Accenture written interview update. Friends, many of you have already written Accenture test. Many of you have already given the interview. Many of you have already filled or uploaded the document for the task mail, okay? But you are not getting updates, right? So in this video, I will discuss and I will tell you straightforward, right? So what all things are there which nobody can tell you, and what all things are there which we will tell you, right? Okay. Now, before proceeding with this Accenture, friends, I wanted to tell you, if you are looking for a job, okay, so there is pay after placement, 100% job guarantee, get a salary package of 5 to 41 LPS. So our student work at Google, Flipkart, Amazon, Samsung, Walmart, BharatPay, Paytm, Visa, and many more. So learn fundamental of programming free with live classes. So friends, what you can do, you can, there is a free, session is there. So you can apply for it, okay? Understand. So what exactly is this pay after placement, okay? So pay only if you get placed above 5 LPA, zero registration fee, zero deposit. Companies hiring 200 plus startups and MNC. The link is in description, so please check it out. Okay, now friends, so in Accenture, what exactly is happening, one by one, please try to understand. Okay, now so let us start with the written test. Okay, so let us start with the written test. So let me select one pen here. Okay, now so friends, many of you have given the both the rounds cognitive, right? So anyway, cognitive round is a elimination round. So if you don't clear cognitive, you will not be able to write the coding round, right? Okay, now so if you clear cognitive, you will be able to write the coding round, and if you clear coding round, right, then you will be able to write the communication round. Okay, so your communication round will be happening on different day, right? So this cognitive and coding will be happening on the first day when you write the exam, and then the communication round will be happening on other day. Now so communication round is not a elimination round, okay, it's not an elimination round, but so for the final selection, the marks of communication round will be also measured. Okay, so this is also clear now. So many of you wrote cognitive, coding, and communication round. After this, right, so after this, okay, so you would have got the interview mail, or many of you would have not got the interview mail. Okay, so if you would have not have got, then you should be getting, and if you have got, then you have completed your interview, right? Okay, so friends, after interview, what will happen? So definitely they will tell you, so you are selected or not, right? So your selection or rejection will happen based on your overall performance, based on your overall performance. And according to Accenture, the minimum number of days they will take is 12. Okay, 12 days they will be taking, fine. Okay, now so friends, based on your overall performance, right, so overall performance, so your selection will happen. Now what happens friends, so after 12 days you should be able to know that you are selected or rejected, but that does not happen, everyone knows. Okay, now so many will get rejection mail. If they are rejected, so they will be getting rejection mail. But friends, suppose 100 students are rejected, okay, and only 20 will be getting rejection mail, and the other 80 will not be getting rejection mail, right? Okay, so this is like company will not be sending rejection mail to everyone. They have to understand that they are rejected. Okay, now so if you are selected, see, you do not have to spend lot of time, I mean 1 month or 2 months you are waiting for the task mail. No, you do not have to do that. Okay, so you wait for 20 days to 1 month maximum. If you are not getting any mail, okay, either rejection mail, or if you are not getting any mail, then most probably 90% you are rejected. You should not wait. Okay, now friends, many of the students were asking, sir, in coding I have done, okay, so in coding I have done only one question, right? So executed only one coding question, so will I be getting selected or not? Friends, it's very clear. So if you execute two coding questions, then definitely you are you will be going for the interview. But if you solve one coding question, or maybe in second coding question, suppose you have multiple test cases and you solve 50% of the test cases, right? So in that case, it depends upon the Accenture. See, I know many of the students, so in second coding question, they executed few test cases, few they did not, and they were called for the interview. But if you have executed only one coding question, then based on the requirement, so if Accenture has more requirements, they will call you for interview. If they do not have more requirement, they will not call you for the interview, right? Okay, but every stage is important here, right? So every stage is important here. Overall performance will be counted. Okay, now friends, then comes, so after your this interview, you will be getting the task mail update, right? Okay, now friend, this task mail update, no, so for many student, it is getting approved in 2 days. For the many student, it is getting approved in 12 days. Okay, for many student, it is also taking 20 days, right? So here we have to wait. One thing you understand, friends, nobody can do anything in that, right? So either you have to raise a ticket, talk with Accenture, okay, or you have to send a mail, or you only have to do. So none of the YouTubers or no one is going to help you. That you have to keep in your mind. And once your task mail is approved, then the offer letter will be generated, right? Offer letter will be generated, and they will give you some 15-20 days to accept the offer letter. Okay, and once you generate the accept the offer letter, then the onboarding again depends upon the company business requirement. Friends, see the few things, as I told you, nobody can tell you, right? See, you might see the thumbnail on the videos that this video has this video has that. No, from where we will get the information, right? See, even Accenture, the CEO also does not know when they are going to onboard the previous candidates, right? Nobody is having any idea. So in that case, what a YouTuber or a teacher will give you the idea? No, nobody will do that. So you have to understand that, see, this is a waiting process. There is no such communication which you can have with Accenture or any company. Okay, this you have to be very, very clear. Okay, so no update after written. So if you are not getting any update after written, that means you are rejected. Okay, see, if you are not getting any update after cognitive, if you are not getting any update after coding, that means you are rejected. No update after interview. If no update after interview, wait for a month. After that, please look for some other opportunity. Do not depend upon any single company. I'm telling you. No update after task mail. So after task mail, you should be getting the update. You have to wait. Communication round is elimination round. Not exactly, but it will. The marks will be added for your final performance. Task mail approved, but no offer letter. Once task mail will approved, then you will be definitely getting the offer letter. Don't have to worry. But after getting the offer letter, when you will get onboarding, nobody knows. Executed only one coding question based on the company requirement. Selection rejection based on overall performance. So selection or rejection is going to happen on overall performance, not on coding or anything. Okay, so I hope this will give you a clear idea. And one more thing, again, I wanted to repeat, nobody is going to tell you the complete information, right? So because nobody have it. Okay, now friends, so here we were talking about the data verification and analysis of data job, right? So key responsibility. So this company is Altrata company, and it's a very big MNC. Okay, so you do not have to have a doubt on this company. Okay, so understanding of role requirements and thorough knowledge of necessary processes and tools, extractions, verification, and analysis of data. So its verification means what? So suppose if this UPI, right? So suppose you are installing UPI in your mobile, right? And after that, somebody has to verify, right? So you will be sending a message, then the verification process will happen. Okay, so or YouTube, so or we have a YouTube, and then YouTube will get monetized. So somebody has to check the monetization process. So for that only, this is the data verification job, right? Gathering of fact from multiple sources. So that's what, if you are good at if you are using more and more social media channels, then it will be a good job for you. Secure handling of sensitive data with accuracy and integrity. Ensure clear and consistent communication channels and followed by the team. Ensure consistency and quality of final deliverables. Requirement, highly motivated. They have not mentioned like who can apply. Okay, see friends, graduate will be always eligible, but 12th pass also please do apply. Because see, there is nothing goes when you apply, right? See, if somebody asks money, please don't pay, right? And friends, here only 4.5 days, right? So half day on Friday, that means you will be getting half day Friday and Saturday Sunday. So 2.5 days you will be getting. And friends, flexible working environment within the country, so you have choices of work from office, fully remote or hybrid. Okay, 2 fully paid volunteer days per week per year. Okay, paid volunteer per year, and complimentary access to training through LinkedIn learning. Okay, so friends, all those things are giving you. And now here you can click on apply for the jobs. The link is in the video description. Okay, and then you have to fill your first name, your last name, your email, your address, right? And then you have to select your phone number. So the code you select properly, India. Okay, and other contact details, then applicant questions, files, and then you will be done, right? So please apply, and if you're getting any doubt, please let me know, right? And friends, also do not forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are providing a lot of required content, good content for all of you. Thank you, take care, and all the very best.